and we are taking these two on a surprise day out.
Present.
Huh?
Present.
What do you say? What do you say?
Present.
Present. It's a surprise.
Surprise?
Yeah.
A present for us. It's surprise.
Yeah, surprise. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Do you have any idea where we're going?
Yes.
Where?
Present. I know idea from where we are going.
You have no idea where we're going?
Yes.
And you, Orion?
I don't.
You don't know? But are you guys excited?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we do have a surprise for them. Just something exciting to do something for them for the weekend because we've been indoors most of this weekend. So there's Marco. Let's go. Can I have some excitement? Can you guys be excited? Or are we going home? Must we stay at home?
No.
Must we go?
Yeah.
Can I see smiles?
No.
Big smiles.
Not be smile.
Why not? Let's go. Do you guys know where we are?
Station.
Huh?
Station. We had the
Surprise.
We had the cow farm.
We at the cow farm.
I knew it.
You knew it? So we are at Irene farm. They have like a little restaurant here, and there's lots of place to walk around and see and interact with cows. Miles learnt about this at school. They actually came to his school and taught him about where milk comes from and all of that, and he's been begging us to come to the cow farm. So that's where we are now, so we're going to take you guys along with us. Let's go. The view. What's over there, Ryan?
Chickens.
Chickens. I see the cows.
They're eating.
They're eating. Doesn't want to go up here. Do you like it? You see how tractors work?
Gonna go see the stuff?
Yeah, we're gonna go now. more cows. This way. Are they looking at you? Are they looking at you?
Yes.
You see, Papa?
They were looking.
Yeah, they lick you. Really? You found a monkey. See ya.
Lick.
Ravi.
No.
Just be gentle. Just go slowly. Don't scheme. Ravi, mouse. You must go closer.
They're not gonna bite you.
They don't bite. See? Just don't touch the ducks, okay?
Why?
Just because they might, yeah, you might fall in the water.
And they bite.
You know what beat me?
A goose.
A goose beat me. And so when I want to touch her, a dog to beat me. That is funny. That is funny. And looks like the trees looks like.
we're just walking around looking at the animals. Orion only cares about the cows, nothing else. So, yeah. Where are they? It's baby cows. Go see inside.
Come see this one.
Aww.
It's under there. Under the child.
You think so?
The
Maybe
child is under the grass. It's very warm. I like it.
Hello. Hello. It's so pretty. Wanna rub, Miles? Hey! Tongues. Which one? They're talking to you, Orion.
We'll move.
Yeah, they're saying move. Wanna rub it, Miles? Rub. Don't be scared. It's just gonna lick you. No, they don't bite. Don't bite. Only lick. Careful, eyes. Gentle.
Mommy,
Yeah?
Mommy, cows have teeth.
Yeah. They do have teeth to chew the grass. Miles, moving on. Did the cow lick you?
No,
The cow lick you?
they're not cows.
No cows. They're sleeping.
My witch.
Yeah. This one is friendly. See Orion? Orion. Look at mommy, say cheese. Taking a seat, a break while the kids go play on the jungle gym a bit. It is so hot. Summer's definitely upon us, so I think we'll go have some milkshakes after this. What are you doing? You're strong. How was your milkshake? Fine? All done. The milkshakes were good, the scones were good, their price was reasonable, but they only had breakfast and we weren't feeling breakfast, so we are gonna go maybe grab some mac and D's and head home. We are out. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Orion? Did you have fun? Why not? You wanted to dig a toy and we said no.
Yes.
But did you like seeing the cows?
Yeah,
You like the moo? And chickens? And the ducks? And the monkeys? Do you guys want to come here again? Yes?
No.
You? No? Why not?
It's another day from a no time.
Okay. But you had fun. You like this place?
Yes.
You like the surprise?
Yes.
Okay. You guys ready to go? Shall we get some burgers? Huh? You don't like burgers?
I want some ice cream first. That is dead and hot.
Okay. Orion, you want nuggets? Okay. Let's go. They are exhausted, which is good news for us. Malka, did you have fun?
Yes.
I got a bit moody towards the end and then we realized I was hungry, so I had a scone and now I feel better. So let's go. You excited?
Yes.
Orion, you were just falling asleep. Orion. You were just falling asleep, now you're awake.
Well, that's all right.
He slept, he was falling asleep. Okay, we are back home having food. Are you guys, can we say thank you for the nice day?
Thank you for the nice day.
And you? Can you say thank you? Orion?
Me too.
Can you say thank you? Otherwise, no more. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good job.